my gosh. This is full of spirit. So I could see a box. It says Friday the 13th. One is decor. Kids. We're
Don't get too close to the store.
Oh my god. If only we could see what's in those boxes. Hopefully I don't get in trouble. Are you coming? Steampunk, it says. Descendants, kids, accessories.
Who's right for these, Oscar?
Oh my gosh. Steampunk, I saw. What is steampunk? It said steampunk on a box, and I don't want to get in trouble because I don't know if you technically can film in there, but if we can look at the boxes, we can get no, well, we can get a gauge of what's in there.
And we can probably some.
Are you going to ask if you go in there? Oh my god, he's really going to go in there? Let's see what he says. Let's see what they say. He's going to ask if we could probably film. Watch out, they're bringing stuff in.
This is so crazy.
I saw something that said steampunk and then decor, ascendants, hats, tiaras, NBC comment something.
You guys looking to apply?
No, we're just looking to see what we want to know what the theme is for this year.
I'm not sure. This is the first store I've had.
When do you know when it's setting up? When?
It should be ready by the beginning of next month.
Oh my gosh, it's so early this year, huh?
So this is our training store. So
Yeah, we're huge fans
Oh.
of your Halloween.
Yeah, we love Halloween.
Oh wow, so this is their training store, he said. Steampunk, makeup, Descendants, kids, accessories.
animatronics?
I don't see any animatronics.
Oh my god. Can we go in?
I don't know. He's really in there talking to them? Okay, watch out. You're opening
We're
early
getting
this year.
ready. We're just doing the build first, and then we're gonna we'll come in and do merchandising after.
So you know what the theme is this year? Are you guys like sworn to secrecy, or can you say
No,
what?
I think it's online right
online
now.
already.
What
It's-
is it? It's
what-
Halloween not Harvest.
No, what is
or-
it, Julian?
I think it's a factory.
That's it. I think
Factory.
You're right, the factory.
What's coming? The sneak peek. What was the name of it?
Berry.
No, the.
Yeah.
What was it?
I don't know what I'm thinking about.
If you want to check out a site,
Oh my gosh, this is really cool.
Was it berry?
No, there was something that's coming out, the sneak peek, the cemetery or
Graveyard shift.
graveyard shift. What is that
I
about?
don't know.
video this. Come on, we got
I
video tape.
am.
I don't want to disturb anyone's privacy.
She said we can.
Just not record us.
No, I'm not. I always record it down feet.
I totally appreciate it. But yeah, we'll be here again.
This is all. This isn't really showing clown. This is all.
Fortnite.
Unfortunately, guys, this is not. Animatronics. This is just accessories.
I wonder where the animatronics
I don't know. This is all costumes and accessories, so they'll probably be getting more animatronics in soon. All right, let's go. I don't wanna...
are. I don't want to be in here.
I know. Well, maybe you can help one day when we. Let's let him through, and then we can go.
I totally appreciate it. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot. And you'll be seeing my name.
Uh oh, he dropped something.
Take one.
Thank you.
Alrighty, have a good one.
You too. Here, hand him. Bye. Thank you. Hand him that little thing.
Dude, that's gonna kill us.
Oh my god. That's full of Spirit Halloween. Oh my gosh. I can't believe that. I wish we could have got a glimpse of the animatronics for this year though.
Oh wait, you can.
Hocus Pocus, I see. I seen Hocus Pocus, Kids. Huh. Okay. So that was awesome. I told you. I told you if we went today.
Exciting.
All right, we're gonna close up this video now.
Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, let's go. Here's your Christmas test and high test video. Bye.
Bye.